Oh, it's already on? Oh, yeah, we're gonna edit it. Hi, guys. So, today... Oh. I'm going to be... Stop!
She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom. I'm sorry. 50 dub, I even got it tatted on.
Hi guys, so today, wait, oh gosh, I'm Jennifer's cousin, and I will, wait, oh god, see, I'm not the one for this. Cut!
Oh my god! I'm Jennifer's cousin.
Oh, we have already started. What's up, guys? I'm Jennifer's cousin. I will be following her makeup tutorial. I have no idea how to apply makeup properly, but we'll see how this goes. Okay. Okay. Pause!
Oh my god!
That cheese is getting to me. So Jennifer is using her Shape Tape concealer. However, I will be priming Colourpop Concealer. I will be using Maybelline's foundation. Okay, just press the little makeup. Okay, okay, and I dab it all over my face.
Cut! I'm doing eyes. It's already recorded still.
Oh, okay. So I messed up. Let's start with the eyes.
The way I'm so used to doing my makeup, and if you hear a little noise, that's just watching TV.
That's just me not knowing how to do makeup.
How do you guys deal with this?
Yeah, that's a good question.
And for this makeup look, since I am going a little simple and a little kind of,
I'm going a lot simple.
sexy, I did
And
try to put my hair back and just pin it on the side so everything could just be classy, you know? Just make sure that your concealer is not wet, but it's tacky, because we're not going to go ahead and set that concealer. So
not wet, but tacky.
to show you guys how to do this makeup tutorial. I'm gonna just go ahead and do one eye off camera so I know what I'm going with. So the three things I'm using, I am using Winky Luxe Kitten palette. I am going in with the shade Strut. So let's go ahead and do that. And if this makeup,
Okay, guys, be patient with me. Okay, I'm gonna blend.
this look to be simplest.
Cut! Okay, now I'm going to add I don't know these colors, guys. I don't know. We'll go with this one in the left side, in the middle. So we added the concealer. Let me press play again.
If you just want to go for that
Left,
soft
right, left, right.
Okay, so the next shade I'm gonna go in is with what everybody uses for Valentine's
Left, right,
Day.
left, right. Hurry, hurry, hurry.
Renaissance palette that I just showed in my haul.
Renaissance.
And I'm just gonna go ahead and use burnt orange and Real Bar. Now, if you do go in with a brush like this, you will see a lot of fallout from the palette. Like when you go in and you dig in, you will see a lot, but it is what it is.
It is what it is.
And I'm just going in with the the slightest hand ever. I'm not going in harsh.
Not harsh, people. Don't go in harsh.
I hate using brushes like this with soft packed shadows because literally it will dig into your shadow and you're looking crazy.
Circle of motion, circle of motion, circle of motion. Fast, fast.
I'm just gonna go ahead and take that shade out of this palette, and like I said, it's called Strut.
What's strut?
Now we're just gonna go ahead.
Pause. Let me fix these eyes right quick. Wow. I paused the video. She said she was using Rugar. Circle of motions. Circle of motions. I'm sure I'm not supposed to look ashy underneath the eyes. So, circle, circle.
Oh my God!
Okay, guys, next step.
And don't forget to spray some Fix Plus or Smashbox primer water.
Primer water.
Or hooded eyes, like hooded eyes. Just go ahead and go to
Okay, pause. Okay, so now we're gonna go into the Winky looks. Now we're gonna use a light color. Play.
Okay, so now I'm gonna go back in.
I dropped the brush. I really dropped the one I had already. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and pack on 2 other shades so it don't look rough.
Wait.
You look rough.
Oh.
So now I'm gonna use the Anastasia Macaroon color. And I'm just gonna, in the crease. The crease. Only in the crease. Only the crease, ladies and gentlemen. Did I just wipe my nose? Play.
So I did already use my pencil liner and my liquid liner, Ciaté London.
Liquid and pencil liner. Wait, Jennifer, you on what liner right now?
You said she away. Oh my God.
What liner are you on right now?
Ciaté Wonderwand. And for
pencil
the
liner.
liquid liner, I just went ahead and used Cosmetics.
Wonderwand, Ciaté Wonderwand.
I do need to get close to the mirror, and I'm going to be
Okay guys, so I did.
Whoa. Did you do eyeliner at the top? Okay, we do eyeliner at the top. She says she has Makeup Shack. Oh Lord. Makeup Shack eyelashes. People, I don't know what the F I'm doing. It's already glue on here. Okay. My cousin Jennifer has so much makeup crap. Like, what do people expect to do with all of this? I'm applying glue to the eyelash. I'm not using a lot of glue because I don't want to rip out my real eyelashes. So I'm applying the eyelash.
1 hour later.
I'm applying the eyelash.
2 hours later.
You know, I've never had eyelashes on before.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Last eyelash, I'm going to apply more glue. Okay. Next.
So now I'm just gonna go ahead and start on my
So
face.
Jennifer's already is about to apply the spot control.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and spray my Smashbox water to go ahead and refine
my face.
Okay.
My face.
Okay, so Jennifer's applying the water,
Okay,
which I
guys,
think I've already done that.
For this video, with first impressions being in the title, I'm going to go ahead, and I'm not going to be using the Fenty foundation. With the Fenty foundation, I will be doing a first impression on Saturday with that foundation. Today, I'll be doing a first impression with the new Maybelline SuperStay Full Coverage Foundation. It says for 24
Maybelline.
hours. But we ain't keeping it on for 24 hours. I did go ahead and I seen it came with a
I had a brush
which I
here.
love so much because as you know, if you
Ta-da!
watch, I'm just gonna go ahead and use this, and this is in the shade Honey.
This is in the shade Mocha.
This is the shade Golden 312. Really for guys to go ahead and use.
Be generous with the makeup.
Makeup pore stick.
Oh, don't be generous with the makeup.
Guys, this minimizes my pores.
Okay, Maybelline.
Quick tip is hack.
The neck area. Don't forget the neck area, or you'll be looking like a
This
toothpaste.
coverage is
A toothpaste.
like, oh. So
This
now
foundation
to
is good.
blend out.
First off, I have one forehead that's done, and the other side of the forehead not done. Next. Okay, so now we're going to use some powder and a little blending sponge to set everything together. We're going to use the Derma Blend loose setting powder. I guess Jennifer looks like she's using a lot.
So now to blend out this concealer, I'm just going to go ahead and take my Morphe sponge. And then for the second makeup look, I'm just going to go ahead and go in with the Cover FX powder that I showed you guys.
Okay, while she's telling me what powder, let's finish this powder. See, I have a 9 to 5, so I gotta hurry up with my makeup. Okay. Oh gosh. Okay, back. Does that look ashy? Donnell.
The glam look on Saturday. Okay, so I took a little powder in the cap. And just
Okay, a little powder in the cap. This may be a little too light for me. Let's see what kind of brush she's using.
my powder. Okay, for bronzer, we're going to go ahead and go in with
Pause! I'm just gonna go in. She said just go in. Is that right? Blend, 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 blend. Okay.
a dark chocolate Soleil bronzer. And I am going to go ahead and use my favorite contour brush, which is the Morphe R14.
Morphe R14. Is that put on the brushes? Pause. So now she's bronzing. With what?
Dark chocolate Soleil bronzer.
The contour kit. I feel like these eyelashes are gonna fall off.
So next is...
Wait! Okay, now we're gonna try to contour. We'll go with the darker one. How do you contour? Oh, ladies. Is that contour?
Oh, no. No. No, 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 no.
Just to make your face look slimmer, right?
Okay guys, so pretty much I have not did a video about contouring. So you want to go right here, your ear is, go down. Don't go too far, stop right here where your eye line ends.
What? Are you done? Almost!
Okay, so pretty much she got a Stoffel brush, but no. I'll have a video on this soon, guys.
What up, Ashley Larry? Next!
I've been using for a little while is the Anastasia Glow Sugar Kit. So for this look, you can show you right here.
Hold on, guys. She's going into Starburst with the Anastasia Glow Kit. I'm going to go into a dark one since I'm darker. Why do we need so many different brushes?
Since we did do a soft look, I am gonna go ahead.
Pause! I just forgot what she just did with this. We're gonna go with butterscotch. Is this highlight?
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk!
Whoa.
Oh, hell no!
Like,
And add some highlight in the tear ducts. Okay, so
oh,
now
in the
I'm gonna
tear
go
ducts.
ahead and go with blush. And like I did say in my video, I'm gonna go ahead. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with
Concept.
Okay, so for the lipstick,
Pause. People, I wear glasses. We'll do.
Mommy! Mommy! Mama! Mama! Mama!
What?
Hi.
Can y'all see the icon? Icon! Can y'all see the icon? Okay, guys. That should be pink enough. Look like I had a black cheek here. And I actually went here. Then she took a lipstick.
okay, so now I'm gonna go in the middle of my lips.
Pause. Sorry, guys. How do you guys put on lipstick right? This is the NYX Soft Matte. Not bad. Not bad. Pause. Now Jennifer is going with another lip. Oh! Same lip.
Okay, guys, this is the finished look. And now we're just gonna go ahead and set our face. So since this is a full coverage feet to the God's face, I would be using Urban Decay All Nighter Spray, or I would be using Scandinavia Spray, but I'll be taking this off right after I'm done with this video. So we're just gonna go ahead and go in with the Mario Badescu facial spray. Okay, guys.
Pause.
That's about it for this video.
That's about it, guys. So this was a video of a person who doesn't know how to do makeup. Not even a little bit. Oh. Who tried? Bye, guys.
God's plan. God's plan. I can't do this on my own. Hey, nope. Hey. Someone watching it close. Yup, close. I've been me since Scarlet Road. Hey, road. Hey. Might go down as G-O-D. Yup.